So now you need to press the from library button. After that, you need to select the videos in which you want to give you want to apply the transition effects. Let's say if I select 3 videos here, the first one, the second one, and the third one, and now press this arrow button. Now see, all these 3 videos have appeared in the editor. So now what you need to do is to give the transition effects, you need to select the video on which you need to apply the transition. So right now I have clicked on my second video on which I want to give the transition effect. So at the bottom hand side of the application, you can see there is a transition written. There are 2 arrows and it's written transition just after PIP. You need to press this, and now see there are so many transition effects which you can give, and all of these are just way cool. They look really amazing, and it gives a professional touch in your videos. So let's say if I click the first one, see the second one appears like this, the third one. See, how cool is this one? Now I press the arrow button.
तो गाइस करें और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें मेरा चैनल. सो गाइस थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, बाय बाय. तो गाइस अप्रैल से लेके अक्टूबर.
See, so these are the transition effects which you can give in your videos just simply by selecting the video whichever you like. And what it will do is it will give an effect to the viewer of your video that you have made your entire video in one go. Okay, so it's an easy thing to do, as I've told you, that it doesn't require any technical skills in it. You just need to press few buttons, and it will easily give you the effect which you want. So keep watching our videos. I'll also share few more tips and few more tricks which you can play with this Vlogger application. So take care guys, bye bye.